Assalamu alaikum. So we are going to start with the sixth chapter, angles. So what are angles? Angles are the two lines which joined at a common point. That common point is known as the angle. Understood? Or we can also say that these two lines join together to form an angle. The common point is known as vertex. Means this is the common point which is known as the vertex. Understood? So BA and BC are the arms of the angles. What we call it as? Arms of the angles. Understood? So here an angle is always written in 3 letters. Understood? Or an angle is named by 3 letters, that is A, B, C. The vertex which is there, which always comes in the middle of the 3 letters. For example, this angle is ABC, so we can write as the angle name. The angle name is ABC or CBA. Understood? So here what we can say that it is written in ABC or CBA. The B comes in the middle, that is the vertex. The vertex comes in the middle. Understood? So this is the way to write the name of the angle. Understood? And while saying, we say it as angle ABC. We will not say this ABC or CBA. We say angle ABC or angle CBA. Understood? Now see here, I have drawn here 3 angles. What are they? This angle, like I'll show you one thing first. This is the protector. What we call it as? Protector. So to draw any of the angle, we have to take the protector. See here, the numbers are given here. What are the numbers? What are these numbers? See here, this number starts from 0 to 180 and from here 180 to, from here 0 to 180. You can see here 2 numbers are here. 2 number lines are here. Yes or no? Yes. So it is starting from 0 to 180 and here again inside 0 to 180. So whenever we have to draw an angle, what we have to do? We have to take it on a straight line. You can see here this line. This line is the base of the angle. Understood? So we have to draw it from this point. Can you see the same here? Straight line. This is one line and this is the straight line which goes to the 90 degree. So whenever we have to measure angles, we have to start measuring from here. Understood? So see here, there is one angle here. We are going to measure it. How? See here, base is there and we are going to take the straight line here as it is. Can you see this straight line? Yes. So the angle is going to where? See here, straight line is there, downward straight line. This is the middle one. So here it is going straight to the 90 degree. I'll show you one here. Like for example, I'll draw here one line, straight line down. This is one line. Then I have to take the angle. So here, see here, you can see a small d. So, and this is the first line. So here I am going to take the protector. This is the center. Understood? So protector center I'll take here. And I'll put the point here, that is the 90 degree. Understood? And then I'll draw the line. So this is the angle who's having 90 degree, and whichever angle is having the here degree 90, we call this angle as right angle. What we call it as? Right angle. Understood? The angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree. What they are saying? The angles whose measurement is less than 90 degree. See here, this is 90 and here it is less than 90, that is 50. So such angle is known as acute angle. What it is known as? Acute angle. And the angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree. See here, this is 90 and this is 120. More than 90? Yes. So such angle is known as obtuse angle. Understood? So three types of angle. First, what we have learned? Angles. In angles, angle is made up of two lines. Two are arms. Yes or no? These two arms join at a one point, which is known as vertex. Angles are written in three letters, ABC or CBA. The line where it is connected or joined, that is the angle which always comes in the middle. Then three types of angles. 90 degree angles is always right angle. Less than 90 degree is acute angle. More than 90 degree is obtuse angle. Now we will start with problem set 24. Complete the following table. Here the angles are given. We have to write the name of the angle, the vertex and the arms of an angle. See here, arms of an angle. So first is, diagram is given. Two arms are there, PR P, this is Q and R, PQR. So we have written the name of the angle as angle PQR or RQP. Understood? Vertex means the two lines join together. So that is the vertex Q. And the arms of an angle is QP and QR. Understood? So now next we will write here. This is LMN. Understood? So name of the angle is, we have to draw a small angle. Understood? So we are not writing here the name of the angle is, we write the symbol here, that is the angle LMN. Why I am not writing LNM? Because this is the vertex which should always come in the middle. So LMN or angle NML. Yes or no? NML. What will be the vertex here? M. And the arms of an angle will be LM and NM. Yes or no? Or we can also say that ML or MN. So LM or we can say and NM. Understood? Or we can also write it as ML and MN. Understood? Now next here, SUT or TUS. So we'll write here name of the angle TUS or angle SUT. Vertex is here what? U. And arms are UT and US. Understood? So this is the way we have to do the sums here, angles. So this is the name of the angle, vertex and arms of an angle. Problem set 25. Measure the angles given below and write the measures in the given boxes. So we have to measure the angle. So can you see the protector here? How we do the measuring? See here. This is what? Protector, and this is the D. So this is the line which we have to keep it on the one line, and this is the middle of the small d. This is the middle part which we have to put it at the point. Understood? See here. Can you see here clearly? Yes. So this is the line. Can you see the measure? The second line, second arm goes where? At 40. We are not going to see the outer line, we are going to see the inner numbers, not the outer numbers. So inner number, it shows us 40. So we will write here 40 degree. Understood? This is the degree which we have to show while the angle. Now next angle. So this is the line. So we will put the line here straight. Yes, and it goes to the which number? See here, the second arm, it is going to 120 degree. What I said, yeah, we are not going to see the outer numbers, we are going to see the inner numbers. So it is going to 120 degree. So we will write here 120 degree. Next is angle. So we'll keep it like this. Yes, see here where it is going? It is going to the 90 degree. So we will write here 90 degree. Here again the fourth angle. So we will keep the angle here like this. Protector here. This is the point. Understood? This is the base, that is the one arm, and second arm is again towards the it is less than 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes. We can here see, measure it properly. Yeah. See here, it is less than 90 degree but nearest to the 90 degree. So we will write here 90 degree. So this way we have done in the textbook. Now we are going to do it in the notebook also in the same way. See here, I have drawn the angles here. First angle, second, third and fourth, I have drawn the boxes. So first angle is what? It is how much? See here, how much it was? 40 degree. So I'll write here 40 degree. Understood? So first angle is 40 degree. Second was how much? 120 degree. Third was how much? How much it was? Yes, 90 degree, and fourth again 90 degree. So this way you have to do it in the notebook.